Well, last year when I got my Time Master, the reason I got it was to save time, obviously. Upgraded from a 21-inch Husqvarna and saved myself a significant amount of time, especially when it came to mowing in the backyard. Now, I've enlisted the help of this man. You've probably seen him before.
What's happening?
He's here, and he's here because I've always wanted to know what kind of an effect on time I can have with a zero turn. And he just so happens to have one. Right there. So we're gonna take it for a spin back here, have some fun, and see how much time we can save.
Let's do it.
Let's get started.
All right, so what we have here is the Ariens Ikon XD. This is the 42-inch. It's made by Ariens here in the United States. Ariens is also part of Gravely, so you know they make quality equipment. It's a 10 gauge steel deck, so it's a nice, solid, beefy deck. It's not super cheap. It doesn't seem flimsy. You don't have to worry about it flexing or anything like that. It's got 4 points of contact for lifting and lowering the deck. So because a lot of mowers have 3, and because of that the deck can kind of move. This doesn't give you that. The deck is nice and solid. You don't have to worry about it angling up or down. It's made in America. You know that's good. That means it's quality. One of the things that I like about this, even though it's a 42-inch mower, it's still a tri-blade design.
Cool.
So I feel like that third blade really helps get the grass out of there, chop it up real good. It mows a lot better than my John Deere 42-inch lawn tractor that has just 2 blades. They have an aftermarket mulching kit, and they also have a aftermarket bagging kit.
Oh yeah.
But I just side discharge.
Cool.
We're side discharging all over your yard, Jimmy.
Can't wait. Let's get right to it then. Well, we just finished. I don't think that took more than, what, 20 minutes if you take away the time that it took for us to film. And I don't want to get off of this thing. This is comfortable. And it's got a cup holder.
A phone holder.
Win-win.
Hey, can't beat that.
Nope. But I will tell you that I enjoyed it. And it's super comfortable. It's an easy ride. And it's easy to operate. I mean, anybody can really figure this out if you just take a few minutes. Obviously, you want to read the owner's manual and all that stuff too. It's comfortable, like surprisingly comfortable, and it saves a ton of time. Like I could get used to this, honestly. Like now I think I've got the bug. You shouldn't have come here.
Hey,
glad to help. This may have been a
sorry, Mrs. Jimmy.
This may have been a bad idea. Now, one of the bigger questions people are going to want to know about this machine is, where does this fall in as far as price point goes?
As far as price goes, the Ikon XD, it's kind of middle of the road when it comes to homeowner zero turns. We're not talking about you fancy pants, you know, professional commercial units that you can spend like 20 grand on. We're talking about homeowner models. And this falls right in the middle. It's not the cheapest thing that you can get, but it's also not the most expensive. This unit specifically comes in right at $3,000. I would recommend buying it from a dealer because according to a lot of the reviews on the Lowe's website, a lot of these are getting put together wrong at Lowe's. And obviously, if you pick it up from a dealer, they're gonna assemble it correctly. They're gonna be the guys that you're gonna take it to for maintenance and stuff anyways, so.
Yeah, might as well have someone put it together that understands and knows how to do it the right way.
Yeah, no. So I would recommend picking it up from a dealer.
Well, yeah, I'm impressed. This has been really fun for me. Check that off my to-do list for sure. Now I just gotta add buy one to the to-do list. Yeah.
It'll be here soon.
It'll be here soon.
He's got the bug now.
Yep.
Yeah, he got the zero turn bug. First he had
I had the Time Master bug.
Then the real
mower bug, and now I got the zero turn bug. This is just a rabbit hole, man.
You need a bigger garage.
Yeah, I do. I need a shed. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap things up for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by.
I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn.
We'll see you in the next video.
Make her green.